see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be taking you guys through a few days in my life, and that will be consisting of a few deliveries. As you guys know and have been keeping up with my videos, I recently closed, well, my husband and I recently closed on our new construction home. So we are in the process of getting a few deliveries and also making some updates to this home. So if you guys are interested in seeing the rest of this video, just continue watching.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.
So in this clip, we are getting our washer and dryer placed into our laundry room. We did decide to go with the Whirlpool washer and dryer. When we went to Lowe's to pick out our washer and dryer, there was currently not a big selection because I believe so many people were in the process of buying them. So we wanted to get something that we could get delivered to our home as soon as possible. So we ended up going with this washer and dryer. What the guy is explaining to us right here is that it came with this hose to hook up the steaming option that is on the washer and dryer. However, in order for it to work, the washer and dryer would have to be side by side. Well, if you guys watched our empty house tour, then you'll know that our laundry room is a little bit different. It is where the washer is on one side and the dryer is on the other. So we are actually going to send this back to Lowe's and have them just refund it to us because we won't be able to use it. Now we are in the process of removing and replacing our faucet in the kitchen. I actually did a haul where I purchased a new faucet that I knew I wanted to get in the home. So my contractor is just now removing the old faucet, and we may either sell that on Marketplace or just give it to the Goodwill. And he is replacing the sprayer with a dish soap holder. So just continue watching and you guys will see that process as well. So our faucet and our dish soap holder is in place and I absolutely love it. I love that it is just so glamorous and so me. It's something that I definitely knew I wanted to have in our home. It does have the option to just stream, and it also has the option to spray, and I'm going to show you guys that in a moment. So we just got a delivery from Amazon. So I got these bar stools from the Home Elegant Lifestyle, and they are gray and gold. And I will have them linked down in the description box if you guys are interested. So I am getting ready to unbox them now with you all.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now, so give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now.
Guys, here are the bar stools all put together. So this is what it looks like. And I think it is a perfect addition to our kitchen. And I like that it's that soft velvet material. I think it makes the space look a lot more elegant. And I will be back to show you guys how I am going to do my little placemats up here, so that when we're eating or whatnot, when we don't want to go into the dining room, we can just sit here, eat our breakfast. I'm sure that is something my son is going to want to do, but I really, really love them. And I got these from Amazon again, like I said, and I need to get the little felt tips to go on the bottom because I don't want them to scratch the floors. But these two chairs came in the color blush pink and teal. If you guys are interested, I will make sure that I have the link down in the description box.